Is your car trying to tell you something? That shaky, rough feeling at a stoplight? That scary moment it almost stalls? Or that frustrating delay when you press the gas? You know something's wrong, but you don't know what. Before you spend hundreds of dollars on guesses, you need to know about one single part that causes all these problems. A part that acts as the lungs of your car. I'm talking about the throttle body. In this video, we're uncovering the 5 biggest warning signs your throttle body is failing. Pay close attention to number 3, because it's the one that confuses almost everyone. Let's decode your car's cries for help and get you back to a smooth, safe drive. What is a throttle body? Before we diagnose the problems, let's understand the part. Think of your throttle body as the main gate for your engine to breathe. It's a metal tube sitting between your air filter and your engine. Inside this tube, there's a flat, round plate, like a butterfly valve. When you press the gas pedal, this plate swings wide open, letting your engine take a deep gulp of air to make power. When you're idling at a stoplight, it holds perfectly still at a tiny, precise opening, letting in just a whisper of air. In modern cars, there's no cable. A small electric motor, controlled by your car's main computer, moves this plate with perfect accuracy. It's a brilliant system until it starts to fail. And when it fails, it sends you very clear messages. The 5 big warning signs your throttle body is failing. Symptom 1. The check engine light is on. This is your car's most basic way of saying, "Hey, we need to talk." When it comes to the throttle body, it's not a random alert. It's a specific message from your car's computer. Your car's computer is a smart manager. It's constantly asking the throttle body questions. Are you in the right position? Are you moving smoothly? The moment the answer is no, it turns on the check engine light. If you use a simple code reader, you might see codes like P0121, throttle position sensor is confused, or P2119, the throttle body motor is stuck. This light is your official invitation to look deeper. Don't panic, but don't ignore it. It's your first and biggest clue. Symptom 2. Sluggish acceleration and hesitation. Remember that instant response when you press the gas? That feeling disappears with a bad throttle body. Instead, you get a dangerous delay. You press the gas to merge onto the highway, but nothing happens for a second. The car feels lazy, almost like it's thinking about it. This hesitation isn't just annoying, it's a real safety risk. Why does this happen? 2 main reasons. First, the small electric motor that moves the throttle plate gets weak and can't snap it open quickly anymore. It's tired. Second, and more common, is dirt. Over time, a sticky, black gunk builds up around the plate. This grime acts like glue, making the plate stick. The motor has to fight through this sticky mess, causing that frustrating pause before you get power. Symptom 3. Rough, bouncy idle. This is the classic sign. You're stopped, and the whole car is shaking. The RPM needle is bouncing up and down like it can't find peace. This is a direct cry for help from your throttle body. Here's why. At idle, the throttle plate holds a perfect, tiny crack open. But when carbon gunk builds up around the edges, it messes up that perfect airflow. It's like trying to breathe through a clogged straw. Your engine's computer is trying to keep the engine running smoothly, but the dirty throttle body is fighting it, causing that rough, shaky idle. Sometimes, the computer will even raise the idle speed higher than normal just to try and stabilize it. If you see this, your throttle body is begging for a cleaning. Symptom 4. Unexpected stalling. This is where an annoyance becomes a real problem. You're slowing down for a stop sign, and just as you come to a halt, your engine dies. That sudden silence is terrifying. This happens because when you stop, the throttle plate needs to be at its smallest, most precise opening. If gunk has completely blocked that tiny air gap, the engine gets starved of air and simply suffocates and stalls. The key clue is that this almost always happens when coming to a stop, not while you're driving. Symptom 5. Limp mode or the car won't start. This is the final, drastic step your car takes. When the computer decides the throttle body is completely unreliable, it activates limp mode. This is your car's way of saying, "I'm hurt, but I'll try to get you home safely." In limp mode, you'll have very little power. The car won't let you accelerate past a crawl, usually around 20 to 30 miles per hour. It's a safety feature to protect you and the engine, but the ultimate failure is a no start. You turn the key, the starter cranks, but the engine won't fire up. Because the throttle plate is stuck completely shut. No air can get in, so the engine can't start. It's like trying to light a fire in a sealed jar. This can leave you completely stranded. The final verdict. So, if your car is showing you any of these 5 signs, a check engine light, lazy acceleration, a shaky idle, scary stalling, or worst of all, limp mode, your throttle body is the prime suspect. The good news? The fix is often not as expensive as you might think. Many times, a simple and careful cleaning can bring your car back to life. I've made a separate, step-by-step video showing you exactly how to safely clean your throttle body yourself and save a lot of money. The link is right here on the screen and in the description below. If this video helped you understand what your car has been trying to tell you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced any of these problems? What was the fix? Share your story in the comments to help out fellow drivers. And if you want to learn how to fix these issues yourself, make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Stay safe on the road, and I'll see you in the next video.